In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your Stripe settings to prevent failed payments on subscriptions. Whether you're an experienced Stripe user or just getting started, ensuring that your subscription payments go through smoothly is crucial for maintaining a steady flow of revenue and keeping your business running smoothly. To do this, we're going to adjust a few key settings in your Stripe dashboard. Let's start by navigating to the Stripe dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen for the settings icon. Go ahead and click on that and you'll be directed to the settings menu. In this menu, you'll want to find the billing option listed under account settings. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can configure various billing-related settings that Stripe offers. Next, we're going to focus on the Prevent Failed Payments section. This area is critical as it contains all the tools you need to reduce the occurrence of failed payments for subscription services. With just a few adjustments, you can drastically improve the continuity of payments from your customers, minimizing any possible disruptions to your cash flow. Now let's address an important tool within this section: customer emails. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to proactively manage successful payment processing is by keeping your customers informed. Here, you want to ensure that the options labeled Upcoming Renewals and Expiring Cards are switched on. By doing this, Stripe will automatically send reminders to your customers about any upcoming subscription renewals and expiring payment cards, helping to preemptively tackle issues that could lead to a failed payment. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. It's easy to overlook this last step, but it's crucial. Ensure you click the Save button to apply any modifications you've made. This guarantees all your adjustments are stored and that your settings will actively work to reduce the likelihood of payment failures going forward. And there you have it. With these steps, you're now better equipped to manage your Stripe settings to minimize failed subscription payments. Taking these precautions helps foster transparency with your customers and secures your revenue streams. Remember, a little proactive effort can go a long way in maintaining customer satisfaction and ensuring your business's financial stability. Thank you for watching, and happy billing!